So if you own a business already, then maybe you'll be looking for the upsell opportunity in an acquisition. So one acquisition can transform your business, and one acquisition, if you're currently in employment, can transform your income. The income from the business replaces your income from the job if you so wish to make that switch.
Massively. To have a feeling when you're sat in the garden or you're playing with your kids and to know that you're making money, that's like, it's truly passive.
And I can tell you right now that one deal, one business, one acquisition can change your life. This session is all about fast tracking your success. And I think that we all want the success sooner than we do later. So if anything can help you speed up the process, the majority of people come into Mastermind with the aspiration to buy one business. And I can tell you right now that one deal, one business, one acquisition can change your life. It can double your income. It can take your business from where it is now to reach your business goals far faster. A great example of someone who had a business already and bought another business, someone called Nick. And Nick has a printing company, large format printing company. And he bought a balloon printing business. And you might think, what does a balloon printing business have to do with large format exhibition displays and things like that? Well, what happened was when he bought the balloon printing business, they were getting about 10 to 15 orders a day through the internet. And the sales team on the large format printing business would phone up each of those sales and say, we've got your order, we've received the logo file, okay. Can I ask, what's the occasion? And they would say, well, they're for an exhibition, or they're for this, or they're for that. And the sales team would then look for the other opportunities to upgrade from we're just buying some balloons to, for a few £100 to we're buying exhibition stands and all the displays and all the graphics and all the screens and everything that you need, which is like £15,000. So it was an upsell opportunity. So if you own a business already, then maybe you'll be looking for the upsell opportunity in an acquisition. So one acquisition can transform your business, and one acquisition, if you're currently in employment, can transform your income.
If you want to find out how to buy a business successfully, get your free business buying toolkit. The link is in the video description below.
I was speaking to Jazz last night. Where's Jazz? Where are you? Oh, right there at the back. Do you mind just share what you said to me about the one acquisition you completed on a few weeks ago, a couple of months ago, whenever it was, and how that's impacted, because you also have a paid employed position. So if you don't mind just standing up.
It's my first deal completed on 4th of April, so I've only owned
A round of applause, I think. Well done.
One deal can change your life, because I think for me, I have a good job, good salary, but I never want to be, I don't want to be a director. I have 2 kids and I'm 40 now, so I've got to the point where I just want to have time off, be free, go on holidays, but I like earning income. So my one business I've bought, it's 200k, roughly just under EBITDA. So it's fairly small, but it's an outstanding, CQC outstanding rated. It's got really good net profit margin for the business. So that's great. I mean, that's like my income secured forever, even if I just stay on that one. I've owned it since the 4th of April. So I'd owned it for about 4 weeks when I bought it, and then got the opportunity to buy a second one. And actually my seller, who I bought the first business from, is giving me the money for the second one. At the end of June, hopefully, have a business that's got 400 EBITDA and 1.9 million revenue.
Well done, very good. And yeah, I know that you have a senior position, and you're on I believe a very good, may I say, 6-figure salary?
Yes.
Yeah. So this replaces your salary if you choose to make that switch. The income from the business replaces your income from the job if you so wish to make that switch.
Oh, massively, and I'm here, and it's a nice feeling. I think the first day I bought the business was the best feeling was to know. I mean, I've got 20 staff now. When the second acquisition, I'll have 60 staff. To have a feeling when you're sat in the garden or you're playing with your kids, and to know that you're making money, that's like, it's truly passive. And I think that's the best feeling.
That's amazing. Jazz, thank you so much. That's absolutely brilliant. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. All right, brilliant.